today's video, I'll show you how to add social sharing buttons in WordPress using the Gutenberg editor and the sharing buttons block. This is a simple way to encourage visitors to share your content and boost your reach. Start by opening your page or post in the Gutenberg editor. Click the plus icon to open the block inserter. Then search for the sharing buttons block. Click to add it to your content and the block will appear on your page. Next, customize the block by selecting the social media platforms you want to include. Options like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp and more are available. Simply click on each platform you want and the buttons will automatically be added. Once set up, preview your page to check the appearance. You can adjust the button order or size to match your design and ensure it complements your content. And that's it. Your visitors can now easily share your posts, helping you expand your online presence effortlessly. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips.